So I think today is the day we're going to do a little bit of maintenance around the RV. Even though it's super hot, I think it's time that we start getting some stuff done. We got a storm coming in, and right now it's just a tropical depression, but you always want to make sure you're prepared. But hey, check it out. Got the new storage bin mounted to the top of the Nature Nest. Didn't really do a video on that, but we picked that up from Harbor Freight. Has all of our stuff. We were able to take everything from the back of the Bronco, put it up there. But today, we're going to be cleaning this bad boy. So, since we have all the stuff out already, we might actually just jump up on the roof of the RV, knock that out real quick, because that's something we've been wanting to get done for probably about a month or so. Just haven't had some time, but we got a little bit of downtime today. And the reason we're going to scrub that roof really good is because, if you guys saw, I was working on the front tire. This stuff here is actually from the membrane up on the roof here, and you can kind of see it trailing down on the side a little bit, and over time that starts to get chalky and starts to run when it gets wet and just makes the paint look like crap. So it is a little noisy, but we've got the front somewhat cleaned up, but you can see why we're up here cleaning. Got some green stuff growing there. It's just super dirty, so we're gonna get this all cleaned up, start working our way back. Logan's helped me out today. We're gonna sweat our butts off on the roof, get this cleaned up so it stops leaking off to the side, and we got that white chalky, and then I can start working on polishing the sides and getting her looking pretty again. So yeah, let's finish this up. This is why it's super important that you guys take care of your rigs. I know a lot of people don't do that, but if you look over here, like on the side, there's a lot of dirt, a lot of grime, a lot of that kind of stuff. That's what this was developing into here. And we don't want that, because if you start doing that, it starts breaking down the membrane and starts doing some other stuff. What you want is a clean, nice surface like this. Not only because the chalky stuff doesn't run down the sides, but it doesn't break down the caulk, it doesn't break down your roof, it doesn't do all that kind of stuff. So let's finish this up. It is hot out. I think we're just gonna get the roof done today. I'm gonna get the bike polished up down there and call it a day. We're gonna go see a movie. We're gonna go see Gran Turismo today and have some fun and cool down. None better. Now, Logan and I are gonna get off this roof. We're gonna go cool off and maybe start start working on the outside for a few minutes and then head over to the movies. So we're getting ready to go to the movies, but check it out. You know, we've done a lot of cleaning out here so far. We haven't really got too far with it, but I think it's already starting to look a lot better. It is super hot, super bright. We're gonna cool down a little bit, go freeze our butts off in a movie theater and go watch Gran Turismo. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
He's like, oh.
So we are going to finish up for the day. We had a great time at the movie, but we got some storms coming in. But I wanted to show you guys some of the progress we made today with the rig. So as you guys know, we were up on the roof, Logan and I, and you can see all this hazing. So all this here, all this white chalky stuff, as you can see, it comes off of my finger. So that's all what's coming off the roof. So let's go take a look at what it looks like on the other side. So you can see more of it here. So this is all stuff that just comes right off. But here is what we've done so far. We've done this whole section here all the way down, and you can see, I haven't done the top part, but you can see the top, how it's a lot cleaner. We're gonna see if that actually helps and if our roof's holding up, and check on it in another week or so with all these storms coming in. So hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys are, make sure you guys interact with us. How do you guys maintain your vehicles? Wax them, polish them, clean them? What kind of schedule do you guys have? Comment down below. Let's hear about that kind of stuff. Let's talk about that kind of stuff. I want to hear what other people do. So, till next time, peace.